Hi, ma'am.
Ulit na lang ni Derek. Nag-installation pa mag-ino.
Abo na siya, ma'am.
Kabalo na siguro na eh.
Nakikita, ma'am.
Picture na lang kami yan di apas. Nabulilan pa ako lang. Naran lang siya. Mag-itsan pa man ito tulog at daw.
Okay, ma'am. Happy graduation. Pinka-pinka.
Dear Lai, congratulations on your graduation. I wanted to take a moment to express how grateful I am to have had you as a classmate. Your kindness and jolly personality have brightened our days, and your beauty, both inside and out, has been truly inspiring. Good luck in college. I hope you will never forget your classmates and that you find great success in everything you do. I'm confident that your warmth and positivity will continue to shine wherever you go. Love, Samin.
Ah! Si Kuan di ay.
Excuse me mo sa mga loved ones. Mama for classmate. Thank you, mama.
Ayan. So picture na dayon.
Marshall Shop in Love, order delivery.